Hello everybody! Here's how to make these vegan, delicious and festive cookies. We begin with the vegan butter in a mixing bowl. Add some sugar, some vanilla, and cream these ingredients together. Add some salt and blend a little more. And now we're going to add some flour. Then push all the ingredients together with the dough. It does a great job of blending these ingredients before adding the liquid, because once you do add the liquid, the gluten will activate and you'll want to limit the amount of stirring so the cookies will stay tender. And the dough is very good about mixing these kind of dry ingredients together. And next we're going to add baking powder to the water. We're using the water because we're not going to use egg in this recipe. So stir those together and then sprinkle them around the bowl. Use the dough to blend it all together until just mixed, just dough-like. Then scrape it into a dough ball, and we're going to chill the dough for at least 20 minutes. When chilled, take it out of the refrigerator and cut the dough in half. Return one of the halves to the refrigerator and roll out the other one. Probably going to want to use some flour on the board or the counter and on your rolling pin. And then keep rolling the dough very gently until it's about 3/16 of an inch thick. That's in between 1/8 and 1/4. And then take the cookie cutters and sensibly place them so that you'll get the maximum amount of cookies out with each rolling. Now a spatula will actually help you pick up the dough, especially if it's a little soft. So we're placing them on an ungreased baking pan, and we're leaving space around the cookies in case they spread a bit. We're going to be baking them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 6 to 8 minutes until just set. You don't really want the bottoms to turn brown. They should stay pretty close to the same color. Now, if you'd like to ice the cookies, you can place a cup of powdered sugar in a bowl and moisten with a little vegan milk. You want to add the milk slowly so you don't make the mixture too liquid. Now, some coconut oil is also going to help to set the icing. So stir that in and then add just enough of the vegan milk to make a kind of spreadable but not too thin icing. So we're going to make 2 colors of icing, but we're going to start with the white and then add some food coloring afterward. So you place a dollop of the icing on each cookie, and then afterward you're going to spread it out almost to the edges with a knife. You can work kind of carefully to make this tidy. And half of our cookies will be kind of pink color. So we've got vegan red food coloring. We're going to stir that up so it's uniformly pink. And we'll again place a dollop on the center of each cookie. And then spread it around afterward with a knife. Now, this recipe makes about 15 of these largish cookies, and you can double the recipe if you want more.